Up until this point, we have focused on the game mechanics. In this video, we would finally focus on a polish element, an element that seems quite small but has a very big impact on the game. So let's create our first sound. When the player collects the coin, a sound cue tells that the coin has been collected. For this, I need to go to the coin scene and I would add a child, audio stream player. So you can see we have multiple options here. We have an audio stream player which plays the sound globally, the audio stream player 2D which plays the sound positionally from the position it is emitted, and the player 3D which does the same thing as 2D in a 3D plane. So for this node we would add a stream player 2D, we would add a sound to it in the stream property you can see here, and if I play it, it plays. After it, the next step would be to add it to our script and play it from the script instead. So I would add a simple line audio stream player 2d.play and it should play the sound. But notice what happens when I go to the actual scene. If I collect the coin, no sound plays. Now let's go back and understand why this really happens. So we are emitting a signal, we are playing the audio and freeing our node. So before our audio could even run, our node is being freed. So we need to wait until the audio has completed playing. So to fix it, I would write await audio stream player 2d.finish. So I would wait until the audio is being played. If I play it now, you can see I can collect it, but the coin doesn't disappear immediately after I collect it. The sound plays, but the visual is not quite good. So let's fix that too. So after the coin is collected, what I'm gonna do is I would disable its collision and I would hide its sprite. So if you look back at the flow again, it emits the signal which goes to our main, it disables the collision so the panda cannot collide again while the sound is playing, it hides the sprite so the user cannot see it, plays the audio, waits for the audio to finish, and then frees the node. So if I play it, you can see it's working as expected. The coin is getting collected, disappears, and the sound plays. Great. Now our next step would be to add a victory and a defeat sound. So to do that, I'll come to the main scene and I would add audio stream player to it. And I would rename it as win sound. And I would add a victory jingle to it. So we basically win when all the coins are collected. That's our only win condition right now. So on coin collected, if score equals to total coins, our game in process starts. Before it starts, I could start playing a win sound dot play. Just that, and our win sound would play whenever we win. I would similarly add a lose sound. I would just duplicate this node and I would rename it as lose sound, and inside it I would add the failure sound instead of the win sound. So this is our failure sound and this is our win sound. Okay, so let's play the failure sound when the time left is 0. Dollar lose sound dot play. Once this is set up, I can just go ahead and play my scene. For the first attempt, I would try to just lose. Let's just roam around here with no purpose at all. and I lost and the lose song played. Now if I try to win this, I would go ahead and collect all the coins. One more to go, and victory jingle play. There's also a bunch of properties with audio you could play along with, like the volume. You can just adjust the volume somewhere down, and you can see the volume is lowered, or I could make it higher and just like that. But I like the volume as it was, so I would make it 0. You can also play with the pitch scale and other properties that are present in the audio. Today we learned Audio Stream Player 2D, Audio Stream Player, playing sounds through code, waiting for sounds to finish before deleting object. Your game now feels much more responsive, and all it took was a few sound effects. Try playing around more with the sounds, and see you in the next one.